What up, Metazoo community? How are we doing tonight, boys and girls? We got another box here. Let's see what we got. See what we can share with y'all today. Looks like we got. Oh wow, we got some excellent packaging in here. We got a Metazoo Wilderness box that we went ahead and opened up. We're gonna have a live video on it. Be sure to check out the channel and take a look so you can see what kind of cards are in the Metazoo. I'm totally new to Metazoo. Just started out. Got a few fun boxes. I'm going to be doing an unboxing with the Metazoo 2nd edition and also the UFO edition. So this is good, fun stuff. Very happy to be a collector of this now. Y'all take care. God bless.